Welcome to 250 Far Road Northeast, Unit 614, here in the highly sought after Buckhead Village District. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of this beautiful residency here in Buckhead and all the different design features that we did on this home to completely elevate its look and feel. So the first place I thought that would be the best place to start is in this extra large balcony space that is much larger than most of the units here at the Eclipse condominiums. So it is so large that you actually have space for 2 living spaces. You have a nice outdoor living room set where you have room for 2 chairs and a coffee table, and a bistro set, which is perfect for dining and enjoying the nightlife, watching the sunset, and seeing this beautiful, iconic $1 million Atlanta skyline view. Lastly, we also installed custom teak flooring on this balcony and turf so that it just feels natural and alleviates all the concrete that was out here and gives you a nice contrast and texture in the space. So now let me take you inside and show you how you can see this iconic Atlanta skyline view from literally every single room in this residency. So let's go on inside. Come on. First, here in the living room, you can see that there is plenty of space for your couch and these gorgeous industrial shelving that has been installed into the unit. And it carries your eye up because with these beautiful 12-foot ceilings in this unit, we really wanted to play with this space and carry the eye upward, play into that modern industrial design that I wanted to create in this space. Because when you're living in the city, you want to have that modern feel, but also that industrial vibe too. And I think we really did that well in the space. So you can see that all here, and then it continues to carry into the dining room, which is really hard to find in an Atlanta residency when you live in the city, is to have a defined dining space. But I wanted to be really intentional with the design of this, so we took an industrial light and pulled it out and then lit it over this space here where you still have room to navigate into the bathroom, you still have room to get into the kitchen, and then this white marble dining table just brightens up the space and it continues to define the area. So we paired that with a beautiful black highboy in the back, so it ties into that industrial high contrast white and black that we were going for, and now you have a defined dining space. It's truly one of my favorite design elements in this residency. And then when you're working remote, you definitely want to have a space that is defined in your condominium as well, in your residency as well. So here we wanted to play once again with the height. So we installed these beautiful textured wood floating shelves that tie in beautifully with this desk. So it carries your eye up to these gorgeous concrete ceilings that just continue to show you how big this space is. And then you have concrete pillars all throughout. So it is truly stunning, and I love these floating shelves. So now let's head over to the chef's kitchen and show you how you can host parties and prepare dinner, all with the most beautiful chef's kitchen. We have elevated height counters. One of my favorite design elements in this kitchen are the light fixtures. They pull in that modern industrial vibe because these are metal and then they have glass inside, so it continues the same design feel throughout the residency. And since I love cooking and preparing in the kitchen, I wanted to have really high-end appliances. So we ensured to install this gorgeous chef fridge with the double entry refrigerator doors and the lower freezer. And it is a smart fridge, so you can control it remotely on your phone. And then the same thing with this range is it is a smart range and counter height, so it blends in seamlessly with these gorgeous sleek black counters. And you don't have the knobs back here, guys. They're all up front on the face of the range, and it just helps tie everything seamlessly and glides back into the black backsplash. And I love how the black backsplash and the black granite countertops just contrast so beautifully with these white cabinets. That we refinished these beautiful white cabinets and installed black industrial handles here that just truly play beautifully in the space. And then lastly, you have a gorgeous touch sensor faucet, because that is truly helpful when you have like stuff in your hands and you're trying to do that, wash your hands are messy. Guys, it's great. It's so beneficial. So now that I showed you all the kitchen, let's go into the master bedroom. Come on. As soon as I step into this bedroom, I feel relaxed. It is truly a sanctuary because the big walls carry your eyes up, and then how we have layered the texture on this bed just makes you want to jump into it. So we have a lot of neutral tones playing in this bedding. We have a lot of different textures, from knit to waffle, and then we have a nice tray sitting on the bed to add that wooden texture. So as soon as you walk in, you feel warm, you feel cozy, and that's exactly what we wanted to do with this bedroom suite. So now one of my favorite rooms in this residency is the bathroom, and I'm about to show you why. This bathroom is truly relaxation. You can wash off the day here with this amazing white tile refinished shower that we installed. It goes all the way up to the ceiling, and it just transformed the space. Originally there was these dark gray tiles here and just really darkened up the space, but now having that white just makes you feel like you're stepping into just a really bright spa. And to finish it off, we have the cabinetry and the hardware that matches the kitchen, so it just has the flow and the cohesion throughout the entire space and gives you that nice bright feeling when you're in here doing your face and doing your facials and feeling relaxed and washing off the day. When you wash off the day, you want to make sure that you have a nice spa-like place to do that, and I feel like this certainly hits the mark. Let's go to the foyer and end our tour there. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining this tour. And to end it, I just wanted to show you the entryway in the foyer. Since we started out on the balcony, I wanted to do a nice dramatic wall when people enter. So we did a black accent wall that goes all the way to the ceiling, tying it into a black dresser and a nice black and white photograph that my mom actually took of the New York City skyline. And so now when people enter, they have this like moment of drama and moodiness when they walk into the space, and then they're greeted immediately by that skyline wall of windows. So it goes from drama to wow in just a few seconds. So I really am proud of this design element in this residency. So I wanted to thank you guys once again for joining us on this tour. It really means a lot to me, and see you guys soon.